Good evening, class. This is Robert Riojas with the Unit 6 discussion. In this week's discussion, we're going to be talking about relational databases and NoSQL databases and how they've been rapidly expanding as of late, and if I think SQL databases are in danger of becoming extinct because of this. So, first things first, I will describe how my organization uses SQL. We build a lot of our programs off of the SQL database, with the primary reason being that you can run some pretty complex queries on that data just simply because it's structured in nature. Whereas the NoSQL database is distributed, or just it doesn't have the capabilities to run that complex of queries on its information. So if anybody's been working for the government before, you'll know the transitioning to any new system, especially something as dramatic as a NoSQL database, will take a significant amount of time. In some cases, we're still using Office 13 just simply because it works. So why change something if it isn't broken? So going back to the question, if I think it'll make if NoSQL will make SQL extinct in the future, absolutely not. And I go back to kind of the arguments we use when we're talking about server-side or client-side systems. Some people say one's better, but ultimately they do the same thing. And it just depends on what your mission is, to which one will be more effective and, more importantly, efficient. Or you could even use both. I could see situations where you use the NoSQL to fill in the gaps where the SQL struggles. So in the end, I don't see SQL becoming extinct, but I do see something that will combine both in some way, so you can take advantage of both systems. In the end, I guess it just depends on what your mission is, and I know that's kind of a generic way to answer a question, but it really does play a role here. What's your mission? What are your requirements, more importantly, and how could you do this more cost effective? Thank you.